Okay, so number 17 on the QR code review is asking us to solve this problem right here. The cosine 2x is equal to cosine x on 0 to 2 pi. So what you want to do is look on your toolkit and find another way to represent the cosine of 2x. And there are a couple of options. I chose this one, 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 minus cosine theta is equal to 0. Sorry, I'm just changing the x's to thetas. I'm just used to thetas, but it means the same thing. So I replaced the cosine of 2x with a 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, and then I moved the cosine over the other side. So if I rearrange my terms, here's what I get. I get 2 cosine squared theta minus cosine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is just basically a quadratic, right? I can write this as like 2w squared minus w minus 1 equals 0. And I can factor that. Easy enough. So this would be like 2w and w, maybe a 1 and a 1. And then this would have to be minus and this would have to be plus. So I'm just factoring here. So then I solve each of these using the zero product property for 0. And I get w is equal to negative 1/2 or w is equal to 1. So then I remember that w is just a cosine. So cosine of theta is negative 1/2 or cosine of theta is 1. And then from here, you guys, all you gotta do is look at your unit circle. It's helpful to have a filled out unit circle when you're doing these kind of problems. So where is the cosine of theta equal to negative 1/2? So where is the x value at negative 1/2? So 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. So here we get theta is 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. And then where is cosine equal to 1? That's only one spot, and that happens when theta is equal to 0. And that's how you do 17.